So Nigerians, please, I would like you to calm down and watch this video to the end. We'll stand for justice. We'll stand for truth. I'll be right back.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tochukwu Samson. I'm from Enugu State, and in Odume, government. So, my boss name is Ebote Chidubem Sylvester. He's also from Mani. We are from the same place. So there is an issue that I'm having with him that I served him for 7 years, and he has refused to settle me. And not only that, he accused me of 40 million naira. Accused me of opening a shop for my brother, which I did not. And he arrested me, then take me to police station for CID. Arrest me, arrest my dad, arrest my little brother. They also arrest the guy that have the shop that he claimed that I opened for my brother. So please, I'm calling all the Nigeria to come for my help. I'm really stranded. I don't really know what to do again. So please, you guys should help me. So on 2020, I had a health challenge on my wrist. On 2020. So I had which I did like 2 several surgery on the hand. Different surgery on that wrist. So still the pain keep on increasing. So there is one day I asked my boss, let me stay just for a day in the house, because my hand is really paining me, and the same with my heart. I told him, and he's aware. Okay, the first day I did the surgery on my hand, I did not even rest like a day in the house. I did the surgery like this night. Then in the morning, he asked me to come to the market. The second surgery I did, the same thing. Both of us, me and her wife, that went to do the second surgery. So the day I told him, let me rest for a day in the house, he told me I should move down to a village, that staying in his house cannot solve any problem. Which is that I just try everything possible. That is after I'm done serving him. I've stayed 7 years with him. Which I try everything possible, then move to the market. Staying in the shop was so difficult for me. I was just crying in the shop. So I try everything possible. Beg him, plead with him, let me just stay a day in the house. Instead, I should move down to the village if I can't go to work that day. So please, I'm calling out Nigerians. Just you guys to do any investigation that you can do. Any investigation. After the investigation, if you find any money in my hand, I will go to prison because of it. But what I need now is justice. Even the IPO that is handling the case, I've called him one-on-one, told him to come and settle me. Even the IP, you can call the IPO and confirm. I've called him, told him that he did not find any money in this guy's hand. This guy did not do anything to you. Settle him, let the guy go. But he keep on saying that he is going to deal with me. He's going to frustrate me with his money. He's going to do this thing to me. So please, I'm calling out Nigerians to come to help me out. Please. I'm calling out my sister that in village now that have 3 kids with different guys. Is relying on me that I will be the one that will help him, that will help her out. So please, I'm stranded. I don't have anybody to help me. So please, Nigerians, help me out. Help me out, please. So please, I'm calling out Nigeria to help me. I lost my mom while serving him because of his no attention, no good treatment, nothing like. Because when my mom call him on phone, he did not even give my mom any money, he did not even give him anything. So my mom died on 2023. That is when I lost my mom. So please Nigeria, I don't have any hope again. I don't have any hope. I'm in village. It's only my dad that I have, and my dad is doing farm work. I don't have anyone like that. So please, I'm calling out Nigeria to help me out. Please, I'm really frustrated. All my siblings, they are relying on me. I should help them. I'm not doing anything now. I'm frustrated. I'm just going up and down the village. Please, Nigerians, help me out. Help me out. I don't have any place to go. I don't have anyone to help me. I don't have anyone to call to. I'm ready to swear in any shrine that you guys come and do any investigation. Any investigation that you can do, come and do it. And I'm ready to swear in any aura, in any shrine, to justify my innocence. I don't have this man money. I don't have his money. I'm not saving his money in any way. I'm just trying to help out with this business to make sure that everything is going perfectly well. He checked my stock before I left in shop. He checked my stock. Everything was complete. From my year 1 to year 7, no complaint. Is when I'm requesting for my settlement. That is when he said that I save his money. Please, Nigerians, I'm calling you guys to help me. Please, Nigerians, you guys help me, please. I don't have anywhere to go. I don't have anyone to call on. Please, all my siblings, nobody, nothing. They are doing nothing. Please, Nigerians, please help me. So please, Nigeria, even in the village that I'm staying right now, as people are laughing at me, that after serving my boss for 7 years, he accused me, arrested me, humiliated me, arrest my father, arrest my little brother. Please, Nigerians, please. As what is going through in my mind now, just to kill myself. So I'm calling out Nigerians to help me out, please. I'm frustrated. I'm dying inside. Please, I don't have a mother again. The father that I have don't even have something tangible doing. Please, he's doing farm work. Please, Nigerians, go and do any investigation they can do. What I need now is my settlement. I don't have any money with me, even to eat nicely. As I'm finding before I will eat, it's just to go and borrow money and eat. It's only one woman that is helping me out. Her name is Taco. Please, I'm calling Nigerians out to help me out. I'm begging. I don't have anyone again to help me. Please, Nigeria, you guys should help me. I did nothing wrong to this man. You can call the IPO. I will drop the number. I will drop the IPO number. Drop the name. His name is Isai. I will drop the phone number. You guys will call him. Call anybody you want to call. Come and do any investigation. I'm in Enugu State, in Ogbete main market. You can call and confirm. Please. Other people in Ogbete know about this story. Please help me out. I'm frustrated. I'm stranded. I don't have anywhere to go. I don't have anyone to help. I'm in the village. Please, going up and down. I have anybody to help me. Please, Nigerians, help me. The IPO that is handling the case. The IPO, I discussed with the IPO last week. With the IPO said that he himself have tired. That he have called my boss, called him one-on-one and told him to go and settle me. That I'm innocent. Even my lawyer, the lawyer that come and sign so that they will bail me out, have meet the IPO. Ask IPO, did you find anything? Did you find any money in this guy's account? The IPO said no, that we did not do anything wrong. So if anybody come now, if anybody that we can go and meet the IPO. His name is Isai Joe. So we'll go and meet him and ask him again. We are going to meet him and ask him again, including my lawyer. I have his number, including the Isai Joe. Yeah, so please, Nigeria, I'm frustrated. I'm tired. Please.
I hope you have watched this video. Help me and share it. Please, I am calling the authority of Nigeria, the human rights. I am calling whosoever that will come to the justice of this poor boy. I am calling his boss, Sylvester Egbete. Please, if this boy is innocent, settle this boy. But if you have an evidence that this boy have stolen your 40 million, please bring the evidence. If there is no evidence and you have checked there's no evidence, settle this boy. I am calling everybody to come to this boy justice. If this boy is not innocent, then he face the law. Thank you and God bless you. Share this video. Upon Igbo.